Next, phenol formaldehyde and related polymers. First is bakelite. The monomers phenol and formaldehyde reacts in presence of acid or base as a catalyst to form linear polymer called novolac, which is formed in two stages. Linear polymer novolac. In third stage, novolac is heating at 138 to 176 degrees Celsius at high pressure, where cross-linking by ortho and para position of novolac occurs to form three-dimensional network solid called bakelite and put into molds for various shape of bakelite. Bakelite is thermosetting polymers which is infusible and insoluble. It has high tensile strength. Uses: it is used to make telephone instruments, kitchenware, electric insulators, switches, combs, etc. Next, melamine formaldehyde polymer. Formaldehyde and melamine monomers are undergo condensation polymerization to form cross-linked melamine formaldehyde polymer. It is thermosetting polymer. It is moisture resistant. It is used to make decorative table tops like formica and plastic. It is used to make dinnerwares, crockeries, etc. This is the reaction. Next, Buna is rubber. The monomers is styrene about 25% and 1,3-butadiene about 75% undergoes addition polymerization in presence of sodium to form Buna is rubber. It is also known as SBR, that is styrene butadiene rubber. It is copolymer. It can be vulcanized by sulfur. It has mechanical strength and abrasion resistance, hence used to make tires. Neoprene is formed by addition polymerization of chloroprene, that is its monomer, in presence of oxygen. This is the reaction. Neoprene is a synthetic rubber. It is resistant to petroleum, vegetable oil, light or heat. Vulcanization of neoprene takes place in presence of magnesium dioxide. This is the vulcanization of neoprene in presence of magnesium dioxide. Form vulcanization of neoprene rubber. Uses of neoprene: it is used to make hose pipes and gasket. It is used to make insulator, cable, jackets, conveyor belt and cable transmission belts, etc. Next, viscose rayon. Cellulose having formula C6H10O5. Consider its representations is CelOH in the form of wood, that is cellulose in the form of wood. Wood pulp is reacted with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution to convert alkali cellulose, and alkali cellulose is reacted with carbon disulfide to convert into xanthate. It is further treated with dilute sodium hydroxide, then form viscous rayon. Viscous rayon is also known as generated cellulose, which is a synthetic fiber. It is a linear polymer of glucose having formula C6H10O5 N times. This is the reaction. First form alkali cellulose, then cellulose xanthate, then viscous rayon. Molecular mass and degree of polymerization of polymers. Molecular mass of polymer depends upon degree of polymerization. Degree of polymerization is the number of monomers present in a polymer. The mechanical properties of polymers depends upon their molecular mass. Low molecular mass polymers are brittle and have low mechanical strength, but very high molecular mass of polymers becomes tough and uncontrollable. Polymer must have a molecular mass more than certain value to exhibit the required properties. This molecular mass shows the critical degree of polymerization. Critical degree of polymerization having hydrogen bonding is lower than the polymers having weak intermolecular forces. Next, biodegradable polymers. Polymers are affected by microbes and get destroyed by their own, called biodegradable polymers. They do not create environmental pollution. Aliphatic polymers and polyamides are the biodegradable polymers. Example PHBV, nylon 2, nylon 6, etc. Now first, PHBV polymer, polyhydroxybutyrate carbonyl beta hydroxyvalerate. The monomers are 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. This is copolymer which contain ester linkage. This is the reaction. Here 1 2 3 3 hydroxy 1 2 3 4 butanoic and functional group carboxylic acid, butanoic acid 1 2 3 3 hydroxy 1 2 3 4 5 pentanoic and carboxyl group pentanoic acid. Then loss of water n times and forms the PHBV polymer. Nylon 2, nylon 6. The monomers are glycine and epsilon aminocaproic acid. This polymer is formed by condensation polymerization. This is a copolymer which contains polyamide linkage. This is the reaction. Commercially important polymers. Acrylic perspex glass which contain monomer methyl methacrylate. It is used in lenses, paint, security barrier and LCD screen. Next, Buna N which contain two monomer butadiene and acrylonitrile. It is used in adhesive, rubber belts, shoes soles. Next, polyvinyl chloride. It contains monomer vinyl chloride. It is used in water pipes, raincoat, flooring. Next, polyacrylamide. It contains monomer acrylamide. It is used as a gel in electrophoresis. Glyptal. It contains two monomer ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. It is used in making paint and lacquers. Polycarbonate. It contains monomers bisphenol and phosgene. It is used in electrical and telecommunication hardware, food grade plastic container. Next, thermocol, also known as polystyrene. Its monomer is styrene. It is non-biodegradable polymer. On heating, it can leach, hence banned.